Hey guys, today I'm going to be taking you through a crash course in coffee making. Let's get started. Espresso is a straight up shot of pure coffee for the simple and bold. An Americano is a mix of espresso and hot water without the intense taste of pure espresso. An affogato is a shot of espresso topped with a dollop of ice cream. That's right kids, this is the closest you'll get to a frappuccino, because let's face it, a frappuccino isn't really coffee. Moving on. A latte is a perfect mix of espresso and steamed milk topped with a bit of foam for those looking for a nice, smooth, creamy cup of coffee. A cappuccino, on the other hand, similar to a latte, is a mix of espresso and steamed milk, but with much more foam for those looking for a light and fluffy cup of coffee. A macchiato is just one shot of espresso topped with nothing but foam for those who want a fluffier take on a classic espresso. A mocha is an even mix of espresso, chocolate, and steamed milk, and is usually topped off with a bit of whipped cream. If you have a sweet tooth, then this is the drink for you. Now you're probably thinking, wow, that's a lot of ways to make coffee. Well, yeah, but that's only scratching the surface. Master these drinks and you'll be on your way to mastering the art of coffee. Until next time, keep on brewing.